to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but very powerful Windows features that helps you to work with multiple windows at the same time without wasting time dragging and resizing them manually. This is called snap layouts. Let's get started. First open any windows on your screen. So I opened browser. Now look at the top right corner of the windows. You will see three icons, right? If I see the lookup, so these are the three icons, right? If you see that, minimize, maximum, this is minimize, this is maximum, this is close. Don't click on maximize button, just move your mouse over it and wait for 1 second. So go to maximize here, don't click it. So just wait for some time. You see that? As soon as you hover over it, a small menu will pop up, show different layout options. These are the layout options. You will see options like a windows side by side, three windows different sizes. So three windows different size, windows side by side, and four windows in grid. See that four windows in grid, depending on your screen size. So this is options will see. Now click on the second of the layout where you want this current window to go. So now you can click on second here, and you want this, you want this browser wants to go wherever you want. So I want go this side. So for example, if you choose to left half, the window will immediately snap to the left side of your, I see left, right half, right? So the window will automatically adjusted, snap to the right of your screen. Right after that, Windows will show you thumbnails of all your other options open windows. Just click on them and it will automatically snap to that remaining space. So suppose if you have another window open already, so as soon as see, let's try one more time. Now I want this window to left. So you'll get three different. So all windows, all application whichever is already open will show you here. So if you wanted to adjust that, if you wanted to adjust this to this side, it will open. So since I have opened another window, so let me, so you see that now I maximize this and I want here. Now you see that thumbnail will appear. So whichever, if you wanted to open this to beside that, just click it. So it will adjust automatically. So now I don't want that window to open here. Let me put different place. So there is also quick. So that's it. You now have two windows perfectly arranged, right? You have seen side by side with no manual resizing needed. So that way you can adjust your screens side by side by using the snap option. So you see that it adjusted this way, and let me adjust different way. So you see that how it is adjusted. So if you have different applications already open, you adjust it as you like with these options. So now, so there is a two already open now if you want it, so it adjusted automatically. So now if you wanted this one to adjust it this way, see that now you have option which one you want that. So I want this option this side. So the same way you can adjust different ways, depends on your options. So I want this one to here and this one to here. So all adjusted, right? If you have any other, you can adjust. So let me open this another one. I want adjusted this way, right? So now let me adjust this here. So you see that all adjusted proper. So this is very useful for adjusting screen. So as I mentioned, this feature is extremely useful for multitasking. For example, you can keep an YouTube tutorial open one side and your notes or code editor on other side, or keep Excel on one half and web browser on other half for research work. One more useful thing, once you have arranged your windows into layout, Windows remember this group. So even if you minimize everything and come back later, Ho- this hovering over the maximize button will again can help you to resolve the same set of windows quickly. Suppose let me minimize. If you open, so see that it still remember the same thing. That's what it's talking about. And there is a shortcut also for this. And if you click the Windows Z, I mean, suppose let's take I have maximized. If you press in Windows Z, sorry, Windows Z. So this shortcut you can arrange. Instead of going here, if you have shortcut, you can try this option also. That's all for today's tip. This one of those features that save you time every single day once you get used to it. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Thank you for watching.